Hey, any of you guys ever done an oil change on one of these 3rd gen 4Runners? It's a mess. I think you're supposed to take the skid plate off the bottom. Otherwise, like I just did, you take the oil filter off, the oil runs down on the skid plate and then runs out all over your driveway. It's not a big deal for me. I'll just put a little floor dry down on the driveway. Then I'm going to clean it up using some of my Super Clean Tough Task cleaner degreaser. I'll just spray it all in underneath the engine there and all over the skid plate, and then today I might be motivated enough to pull out my pressure washer and spray it all out. But hey, that's not what this is about. I figured this is just a good opportunity to ask you guys, do you guys want to win some Super Clean? I've got a deal going right now with Super Clean where you can win a spray bottle like this and then one of their new aerosol cans. All you got to do to take part of this is just send me an email. My email address is down in the description below. It's badombregarage@gmail.com. All one word, badombregarage@gmail.com. Just send me an email. Show me a picture of what you're working on. The dirtier, the nastier, the better. If it's some old ride you're getting ready to fix up and get going, or if it's something pristine you need to keep clean. Send me an email, put a picture of what you got going, and then I'll let this run for about a month, and I'll pick a winner. And somebody's gonna get some free Super Clean. Yeah, one catch, you gotta have a mailing address in the lower 48 to win this. So sorry to my overseas friends and my northern friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you take part in this. Watch my Instagram, Bad Hombre Garage, and my Facebook page, also Bad Hombre Garage, for some pics of people's cars that they're sending in. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.